we're back from the Tech Edge Conference, and I'm here with Evi Wusk, and she's from Peru State, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about using technology to really encourage writing.
Yeah.
So let's go for it.
Well, I'm excited to share some tools with you guys that can help our kids, because so often they know how to do writing, they know how to tell stories and convince each other of things, and it's just kind of accessing that in fun new ways. So I've got a few apps I'm going to share, and hopefully at least one could maybe be used in your classroom. So first I want to show you Puppet Pals HD, which is a free download. And let me go back here, since I just made one in the session. Again, it's a free download, so whether you're in a one iPad classroom or if you have multiple ones, you just click press to start, and it's sort of like playing dress up. So a student could choose to have a knight or whatever characters they want to have in their story, and then click a setting, or they can add their own photos, so it could even be at your school, in your classroom. And so I'm going to put it at this castle. And then it puts the characters into the setting, and you can just record audio over the top of it and come up with your conflict, but the characters in the setting are already set, so the students can create a story with some sort of fodder for writing that maybe they won't realize they're writing as they go. So that's Puppet Pals. The second one I want to show is Padlet, which this is a website, so it's not actually an iPad app per se, but it's one of the easiest technologies that I've seen as far as I can start it today and I can use it today. So to use Padlet, you just go to padlet.com and click Build a Wall. And then this URL right here is actually a live link. So I can double tap on my wall if it'll go. And then I can put in my name, and then maybe the writing prompt for the day, anything I want. And I can also attach a picture to it. And then if students go to that URL, they can individually, from their own computers or iPads, click on the wall and post to it. But they can also attach documents. That's the cool thing. So if they have a Word document draft, you could picture like 20 different documents on this screen, and they could all be looking at each other's and making revisions. So again, it's just really easy to use. You create a wall and boom, it's live like that. This always comes up. Teachers will say, well, what about Sally, who I know is going to post something that maybe I don't want everybody else to see right away. So you can moderate the wall by clicking on this gear button and then click on privacy. And if you scroll down, you can moderate posts. And that's just going to make it so I can see what Guy posted, and then oh, that's okay, that can go up on the wall for everyone else to see. The other thing you can do is create a password protected page, so maybe you just don't want all your student names out there on the web. That's another way that you can work around it. So Padlet.
That's fantastic.
Really easy to use. Let's do Word Lens.
Okay.
And this is for maybe an ESL student. So how Word Lens works is you have to pay for it. But if you choose a language, like maybe I want to buy the English, and then if I put a bunch of text behind it, that text is going to translate from English to Spanish or whatever word it might be. Let me show you, like here's, let me get my picture in the shot here. You can tell that it's reading my words, but it's just flipping them because I have the free version. But if I had, say, the Spanish toggle worked on, that bullet is going to change to a word in Spanish. Last one I want to show is Erasma, and this, I like to describe it as it's kind of QR codes on steroids. So what Erasma is it's like a QR code, you scan it and then it takes you somewhere. For an aura, you can attach an aura to anything visual. So maybe I could take like a UNL graphic and then attach an aura to it. So let me show you an example. I've got Erasma rolling, and on my laptop here, I've got a picture that has an aura attached. So I'm just going to put it into the viewfinder here, and you can see the aura starts spinning. And after a minute here, see how he starts to move. So you can, and he's like prohibition bootlegger, so But you could attach a video of your student, say, talking about a piece of artwork, or even telling a story that goes with an image, and they can tag the aura, whether it's audio, visual, or you can make it go to a link. But it's, like I said, it's kind of QR code next level.
So, is there one more you'd like to share with us?
Okay, one more.
One more.
And this is, I'm just excited about this today as just a writing prompt. This is called futureme.org. And so if you go to futureme.org and you have an email address that you might use 5-10 years down the road, you can write an email to yourself. So I had my pre-service teachers write an email to themselves to be delivered probably a week before they entered that future classroom. So just kind of a fun writing prompt. Think about a third grader saying, I want to write to myself when I'm 10 or when I'm in high school. Just kind of a real authentic prompt because they know they're going to get the email. So
That's
I think
fantastic.
that's it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep.
And we'll see you with the next person on the Tech Edge Conference.